god, I've never seen this point of view of my car. Extremely hot. It's the hottest week for Florida. Whew. Healthy, guys. She's healthy. I'm about to go do a photo shoot and I want to bring you guys along. This is not what I'm wearing. I have a, you know, something underneath. The hair, I'm gonna wet it, make it wet, so bear with me. If you guys didn't know, I dropped merch earlier this month. It says Unparalleled. It's still available. It's gonna be available probably till June. This photo shoot I'm about to do is also gonna be part of my new merch coming up. I'm traveling in June, so I need to get this show on the road. It's so hot in this car. It's so bad. AC at this point will never get done.
That sounds like excuses to me. I mean, you gotta figure it out.
I know this one spot where I took Dante last time for his photo shoot. I was like, I gotta go there.
And
oh my god. Oh my god. Where was it? Oh, okay, I think I know. Oh my god. Oh.
3 days later.
How do you guys think these pictures are gonna come out? I hope these pictures come out fire. I'm excited. Okay, now I just gotta park my car a certain way for everyone to see. I think like this is fire. Okay.
We interrupt this program to bring you...
Filling up my tire is a hassle every day because I use the big air compressor and it's pretty heavy and it has a long cord that I have to take out, bring it all the way out here because, you know, the car can't go in the driveway because it's, you know, a little low. And it's just a hassle with that big heavy compressor bringing it out every time just to fill up one tire because there's always one tire of mine that goes low. I don't know if it's because I have a crack or it needs a reseal. Thankfully, I don't have to do that no longer because Astro AI sent me a portable air compressor. I'm not gonna lie, I opened it a little bit because I wanted to see what it was already. It's so convenient. It's not just an air compressor. It has multiple features like portable charger. I could charge my phone. I could charge anything, my laptop, my iPod. And I'm pretty excited to finally have it in my hands. This product is called the L7 Tire Inflator by Astro AI. It can fill up to 8 tires back to back. With True Gauge technology, you'll get accurate readings. You can pick from 4 modes to suit your needs, whether it's for cars, motorcycle, bicycle, balls, any custom setting you'd like. It has 3 light modes: flashlight, strobe, and SOS. It also features USB-C and USB output and input ports, making it a handy emergency power bank. We're about to put this to the test with this tire. I think this tire is at 0 psi, or like if anything 5 psi. Putting it to like the test. It got to 70, you know, it went from 0 to 70. After that, I probably won't touch it. It's got to rest a little bit. It's now 50% off, so make sure you guys go cop it. Link will be in the description down below. My luck has not been good. I should have recorded what happened to me yesterday, but what happened yesterday was I was about to go to the gym, and when I was sitting inside the car, I couldn't open my door. Like, it was locked because like the wire came off or something, so I had to literally from the inside, even though in emergencies I could have just exited out from that door, I was just trying to figure out how to open this door. So what I ended up doing was removing the door panel while it was shut and pulling the wire that opens the door and stuff like that. So yeah, it was like a whole mission. I wish I recorded that because it would have been probably funny. This is the spot. We got the fence there. If you see the vision, you see the vision. We're gonna blow out the houses, so don't mind the houses. And Dante stock Tesla. Yeah, don't mind that. See the vision? See the vision? The car's a little too far. drop off some merch. Sacrifices have to be made. The cord is going out for these deliveries. I've never seen this point of view of my car, so we're both gonna be in for a really good treat of rocks and pebbles and everything being kicked up to us. And we're about to see how secure this camera is. Oh my god, that looks so funny.
Help me!
This is actually bad because my trunk is so stiff. So that camera.
Don't worry about a thing.
It's literally like 100 degrees here in Florida. This is not good for the tires at all. It looks in people's faces right now. Stop, stop. We're gonna be able to get people's necks with this camera. Like, hello? Are you? This car just like cut me off.
Gonna be alright.
Daddy, chill. God protect us in this ride. We're just going to the post office. Thank you for today. Thank you for this ride. I'm going fast because I need air. Someone please let me through. Someone please let me through. Thank you, Mustang. Was that even a Mustang? Reflector. Dante's mobbing with us, and he said my car was breaking more necks than his. He's definitely lying, but his car's fire too. Everyone's been saying, Steph, get a matching car, get a matching car. Steph, get the M2. Steph, I think I know what I want for my next car. My birthday is in August. Imagine I buy myself a car in August. No car in August. Can I make it happen? I don't know. We'll see, guys. We'll see. I'm talking about a whole new car. Meanwhile, my AC is not done yet. Or what if I sell this car and then get a new car? But no, I don't want to let go of this car. No, we can't do that. By giving a like in this video, you're helping Steph get a new AC next video. Give this video a like, comment down below, and share. Thank you for your support. No rolling back here. Professional clutch driver. Love a manual car. Sir, are you gonna go? Like, honestly, please go before I get stuck. Do public interviews while we're sitting in the car. Like, yeah, sir, what do you think about my car? Is it a fire hazard? Is it a street hazard? Is it dangerous that you're scared to drive next to me? Hi, sir. Hi. Yep.
What in the tarnation?
Don't mind me. Just a Honda. Look at the G80 behind me.
Leave my head just like cotton. Me and you got nothing cut. I took God just like a cut.
What is that on the road? That lady, don't mind me. Let me downshift for her.
We do not care.
Am I gonna break the kid's neck? Let's see.
Nope.
Nope. Wanna ride? No, we can't do that. It's creepy. What do you think he's gonna say?
Okay.
Okay, he didn't say nothing.
Okay.
I was thinking removing the wrap that I have on because it's time to go and get a new one. But what color would I get? And I'm gonna miss this color. I had no complaints with this color, so I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why I still have this on, but we're removing it. Sadly, this is the end of today's YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know you guys hate to see me go, I know, but I'll be back soon. Make sure to follow my Instagram to stay updated with the new merch and those pictures that we took earlier. They came out pretty fire. I'm excited for you guys to see that. Also, that new camera, that 360 camera is gonna be my new best friend. That footage that we got was actually like insane. I'm in love with that camera now. Like, I wanna drive the car every single day with that camera on me on all times, just in case I get reactions. Based off that day that I drove with that camera, we got so many reactions, and I wasn't expecting that. I thought, hey, it's just a Honda. Who likes Hondas? I guess we broke some necks, W car. We're also gonna be traveling soon, like I mentioned earlier, so stay tuned to those videos because we're gonna be all around the world. We're gonna be, I don't even want to spoil it for you guys. I'm just gonna say that I got my passport ready, and stay tuned. Just stay tuned. With that being said, I love you guys so much. Stay blessed and stay safe. Peace.
I'm talking about a whole new car. Meanwhile, my AC is not done yet. Dante's doing TikToks. I don't think he understands that I have no AC in here and I gotta go home right now.